Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI number 6326. This is a recessed soap dispenser. This is a commercial grade one in the sense that you're going to see this installed in very high application situations like airports, hospitals, certainly things like that, movie theaters. Okay, satin front, as you can see. Soap valve here. Okay. Key, you're going to get one key with it. That's going to be included with the unit. I'm going to start that over so I can show you the process of removing it. Key can only be removed when the unit is locked. Okay. Keys can be bought separately. The part number is E-114. Should you want to buy more keys immediately or down the road. You can see where the cam locks into the housing back here. Okay. When you unlock that, this whole unit is going to come straight forward. The easy part, just the stainless steel housing. This is all stainless steel. It's going to be a flat piece that they've put into a specialty sort of press brake. However, they're going to have several different bends in this. They're going to bring the ends over, spot weld, everything for strength. Okay, it's all stainless steel, non-ferrous. Well, we're going to assume that's stainless steel, which it is. It is stainless. Specifications call it out. This is the faceplate with your soap reservoir in the back. Okay. This is a typical V320 soap valve. These can be purchased separately down the road should you have need to buy a separate soap valve. Generally, people buy them because they fatigue over time, meaning they get clogged up. I have found that with proper maintenance, say once a month or every change or every addition of soap, warm water, cycle it, significantly cycle it, clean that out, remove the water, you're in good shape at that point. Okay. You'll be able to get your hand in here to be able to get that all in real good shape. You'll be able to pour that out. Also, your fill valve is here. That is all, or they call it a sight gauge. That is also available separately as a separate part. And people buy those generally because the unit becomes vandalized. Is really what the deal is. With that, I'm going to pull up that part number. I think it's a V40. Now, stainless steel face, brushed finish. Okay. There is a link below this video to what is called the cut sheet, which shows everything important dimensionally about this item. And it is a good reference because it's going to tell you everything that you really need to know about it. First of all, dimensionally, let's go over that next. You can see that you've got an overall dimension of 10 1/4 on the face. Six-inch on the height. Okay. You're going to have a projection off the face of the wall of a 1/2 inch. 47 ounce, so it's a large capacity soap reservoir that's here, very large capacity. Okay. Lotion, liquid, soap, synthetic detergents, antibacterial. You've got 20 gauge stainless, type 304, 18/8 stainless on the box, which is heavy. This unit weighs 3.5 pounds, so it's quite a heavy soap dispenser, is how this is. Additionally, be able to see from this page the rough opening that you need to accommodate, and that's going to get back into this unit back assembled. So let's put it back together. Before we do that, your access is going to be via these holes that are back here. You'll be able to get it into your opening, screw it down. Now, I'll leave the key in. Okay, so the reference to the rough opening is going to be 4-inch deep, as you can see in bold near the bottom of the page, 9-inch wide, and 4 7/8 high. Let's do a reality check on that. So 4-inch deep, that certainly is going to make sense. You want a little bit of breathing room back there. 9-inch wide. Okay, that's good. You're going to have about 1/4 inch or so on either side. 4 7/8, yep, as you would on the height. Okay, so that'll give you the ability to get it in place, get it shimmed, get it fastened down. Now, the installation of this item, you're going to want to be sure that you are installing this in an ADA compliant sort of installation, and you most likely are. This is a soap dispenser like this certainly wouldn't be installed in a residential application. So there's a paragraph on the cut sheet called installation, where it's going to refer you to the unit be installed so that the valve is 54-inch above the finished floor, okay, provided that you have clear access to it. If you have to reach over something, they want it lowered down to 48-inch. Or 46-inch if you've got to do some side reach to get to it, like if you have it on the side of the vanity, and if you're in a wheelchair, your perspective would be naturally lower than someone who is standing, so you might want to lower that to 46-inch. A very important sentence that is there: the rough opening that you are determining, provided you've got the exact rough opening, it will modify your height from the floor. So they're saying top of the rough wall opening is 9/16 below the top of the unit. So if you're going to be measuring a distance to the top of your cutout, remember that you've got 9/16 of an inch before you get to the top of your unit, so that you can then, lay out where this has to be installed. I've not heard horror stories of someone being off a very small fraction and it being an issue, but nonetheless the code is quite clear regarding ADA compliance. This lock can also be bought separately should you have need for a replacement lock. Feel free. Generally, people doing replacement parts are victims of vandalizing. Someone who's been vandalizing the unit is generally the bottom line. Now, ASI is a full-line manufacturer of all things commercial restroom related, and they do a great job on this heavy-duty material, the stuff that you're going to see in those high-volume applications, whether it's soap dispensers or grab bars or mirrors or combination waste units with, paper towel dispensers, etc. But they do a real good job with, lighter-duty material, more cost-effective, cost-conscious situations, or applications where you simply don't need something so heavy. You've got a very small office area where there might be 2 people, and you need just an inexpensive plastic globe style soap dispenser. So ASI does the entire range from the real commercial grade material all the way down to that standard stuff. ASI is a pleasure to be a distributor for. The fit and finish of their material is always really nice. The backup of the customer service and technical support people behind them is excellent as well. If you have any questions on the ASI 6326 recessed soap dispenser or any other ASI item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.